Okay, it's time again, and don't have the count of how many times it is this month or this half of the year, 2026. The unicorn, the your favorite place in the entire internet, the cemetery of all your lovely dream projects is down again, right? GitHub is down, guys. GitHub is down again, and you can see the one of the culprits here, right? One of the culprits is here, and I am a puppet of one of those culprits. So you can see GitHub has just been hitting lows and lows. Okay, the last 90 days record is somewhat good, given that I think in Fireship video of around 2 3 months ago it was worse. So you can see the- they are doing better. They are certainly doing better, but you know AI is really hitting GitHub hard right now. GitHub, the pushy can't take it anymore, right? The pushy is not taking it good. Ah, this just you never expect GitHub to be one of those things that goes down. Maybe it's up now. It has been like this for around maybe I think 2 hours now. That's why I'm making this video, right? Because I have nothing good going on. I was also testing this new app, OneTake project, and how it works for recording, if it's proper for release or not, coming soon. So check that too. Let's see what they are saying in their official status page. So, incident with GitHub.com update. We are experiencing high error rates around 20% for web experiences and API traffics, archive downloads. It has been like this for 2 hours now. Guys, come on. I just went on Twitter to see what people are saying. I hope somebody is cashing out on the bet of if GitHub will go down again today or not. Also, yeah, if something was launching to replace it, I mean, you have so many options, right? GitHub just, I think, um, the AI situation and the code boom, right? The nuclear explosion of new codes, new texts, actually, not so much code, and that's just hit GitHub so hard, right? Claude is also down. Well, my Claude is right now at around 100% of daily uses. So I cannot know if Claude is down today or not. Uh, this, I guess, is somewhat true. Else, I won't be making videos, although I like to. Very unicorn, I guess. Okay, guys. So Just eye on OneTake. Sorry. Uh, Just keep eye on OneTake app. It's launching soon. The one that's launched right now, it doesn't has a standalone feature that I'm testing right now, but it's quite good with OBS. You can just share on the website and see if this is something you will like. It's www.onetechproject.com. It's something I have been working on for a while now, and I'll be launching it soon with proper ads, proper SEO, and things. Quite few work still remains, and it will be available for just $29 for now. And it's a one-time purchase, and you get updates for around a year, free updates for around a year, and you can use it on two devices. So keep an eye on that too.